Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. So Swiss Beauty came up with their new lipstick collection which I was not even aware of. Suddenly came across and picked up two shades for my brown skin and I'm going to share my part of review today. So if you guys are interested then please stay tuned till the end of this video. Also at the end I'm going to provide you with the swatches on my bare skin and with makeup on, so I think it will be really very helpful for you. So Swiss Beauty launched their Pure Luster lipstick which comes in 12 shades for the price of rupees 349 each and you get 3.8 grams of product. This expires on 2028, so you have 3 years of shelf life. I picked up this from Amazon but I also checked that it is available on their official website. If you are interested to buy these after watching my video then you can head on to my description box wherein I have provided the link. Now that's how the outer packaging looks like. You can find the logo and you will find the description of the product. It is also infused with olive oil and vitamin E and it says that it gives you buildable color payoff with luxurious shine. At the back you'll find the rest of the details and also it is paraben free. So the two shades that I picked up for my brown skin is the shade 08 bleached pink and 11 pop cherry. I wanted to get two more shades but I wasn't sure of the swatches as there were no swatches available. I even checked on their official website but there were not enough swatches available, you guys. So somehow I made up my mind and just got two shades for my brown skin. Hopefully this will suit me. And you will also find the shade name on top of the outer packaging. So that was all about the outer packaging. Now let's have a look at the inner packaging. You will be actually shocked to see the inner packaging. That's how it looks like. I never imagined Swiss Beauty would come up with such gorgeous cute packaging. It feels as if I'm holding a Chinese or a Korean product in my hand. You can completely see the component of the lipstick because it is completely see-through, you guys. It is transparent and comes with this cute baby pink packaging. I really love the overall packaging. At the bottom you'll find the shade name and the number. Let me just show you the bullet how actually it looks like. So that's how the bullet looks like and this is in the shade Pop Cherry. I'm not going to give you the swatches at the moment. You'll find it at the end of the video. And the other shade that I picked up for my brown skin is the shade 08 Bleached Pink. So that's how the shade bleached pink actually looks like. Alright, so here are my final thoughts. Now because these lipsticks are creamy in nature, they have balm-like texture which actually feels as if I've applied some lip balm. It has a very beautiful pigmentation that helps to cover my dark pigmented lips just in one go. You can increase or decrease the intensity of the pigmentation as per your needs. Because they are extremely creamy in nature, it glided effortlessly and seamlessly and went on smoothly as butter. And because these are infused with olive oil and vitamin E, I have noticed that it helps a lot to provide my lips with moisturization, and just because it has a balmy like texture, it also feels very much hydrating. I did not had any issues of my lips drying out even if the lipstick worn off. Now because these are creamy in nature, it is not long lasting by any means, or it is not even transfer proof. I have one of the shade on my lips today. Let me just show you whether it is transfer proof or kiss proof. So it's absolutely not a transfer proof lipstick and I really do not mind. It does not contain any kind of fragrance whatsoever. Thankfully they did not add fragrance, which I am really grateful about. These lipstick does not contain any shimmer or glitter particles whatsoever. On the other hand, provides you with beautiful sheen that actually looks very comfortable on the lips. It has a weightless feel and provides you with beautiful hydration on the lips. Now I can say that it has a less shiny finish than the K-Beauty Hydra Creme and Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick, but more shiny finish than the Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte lipstick. Now if you ask me how different it is from Swiss Beauty Select High on Shine lipstick than the Pure Luster lipstick, I would say the formulation is more or less similar to each other. I tried both the formulations side by side and I noticed that I could not find any difference. Both of these are infused with vitamin E. This has an extra ingredient, olive oil, that is it, but the amount of sheen is similar, and the amount of hydration and moisturization is also similar. These are not going to be long wearing because these are creamy by nature, and you have already seen that it transfers a lot. So if you're someone who does not enjoy these kind of formulation, you can stay away from this. And if you already have the Swiss Beauty Select High on Shine lipstick, then you can stay away from this. I don't think you need another one in your collection, but if you want to get it just because of the packaging, you can totally do so. The shade Pop Cherry is your true cherry red kind of shade that is going to suit all Indian skin tone, but I believe it will look more flattering on brown skin. You can pull off this shade with or without any lip liner, and it is your perfect festive shade that is going to add a luxurious touch to the entire makeup look. Now, if you're planning to wear such kind of shade, you can pair it with any black, blue or green dress, but don't forget to keep your makeup really very neutral because you want the center of attraction to be this lip shade. And now the shade Bleach Pink is your rosy pink that has some brown hints to it. It is going to suit someone with light to medium skin tone. It is your perfect everyday kind of nude. If I want to pair this lipstick on my skin tone, I totally have to go for a full glam makeup on with some lip liner, and then I can totally pull off this shade on me. If you're wearing a neon pink or magenta pink dress, I think these kind of lipstick does look beautiful. Now, if you ask me whether I would recommend it or not, I would say you can totally give it a pass, because if you already have a lot of creamy lipsticks in your collection that provides you with similar finish, I can say this is not needed, you guys, because I feel Swiss Beauty should come up with their this kind of lipstick range, and they should explore more in the beauty community. They can come up with many different makeup products that we are lacking in Indian beauty market, you guys. So as I already said, if you want to get just because of the packaging, you can totally do so, and if you already have such creamy lipstick, then you can totally give it a pass. You don't need another one in your collection. That is what I feel. You don't have to be an impulsive buyer whenever you see a new product. You'll have to keep in mind that if you already have something similar in your collection, then you do not have to double up. Alright, so here is the moment that you all were waiting for. If you're watching my video for the first time and you don't know what actually happens in my swatch video, then I give you swatches with and without makeup. Also give you a close-up swatch to see for yourself how the shade looks in itself. For your reference, I'm NC42 in MAC in the winters and 43.5 in the summers, depending on my tan. So now, without any more further delay, let's just jump straight into the swatch video. Alright, you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I've mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.